How to log in Xapo Wallet account, sign in Xapo account. If you want to log in or sign in to Xapo account, it is very simple to do so. First of all, launch the Xapo application right here. Once you've done that, this is the type of option you will see. Tap on the option that says enter email from the bottom. Now once you've done that, it will ask you to do a couple of these options, but I can select not for now option right here. Now what I want to do from here is, let's say you want to log into your account. All you have to do is, you can see, make sure you use the same email address you registered with. So enter the email address that you registered, and then it will send a verification link here. So tap on the send verification link button. After you send a send verification link, you can complete the slider to complete. If you do not have an account with this email, it will ask and process you to create a new account. But if you do have an account, you will be asked to log in. So you can tap on the email option right here. Just go ahead and refresh your inbox. You can ask to verify your email address, and once done, you will be logged into your Xapo Wallet account. That's all it takes for you to log into Xapo Wallet account. I hope the video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.